In days foretold, the veil grows thin. Statutes rise where dust had been. The hidden word sealed up in stone is spoken clear and stands alone. What hands had bent by subtle guile is measured now by ancient style. The law once lost returns in flame, a steady light to mark the frame. No clamor raised, no war declared. The crooked name is now repaired. Truth unmoved, unbent, unbroken, held through years by vow unspoken. Spirit, guard the line made straight. Covenant held through fire and weight. What was dim is now made plain. Order falls like measured rain.
But wisdom counts the days aright. What fathers kept, though torn unmet, returns to eyes as sealed sight. Angels speak the count of sun, and moon and stars align as one.
Confusion shaped a twisted chord, but note by note restore the word. No sword is drawn, no voice is raised, yet every lie is now appraised. The silent weight of law descends, and where it lands, the fracture mends. Truth unmoved, unbent, unbroken, held through years by vow unspoken.
Spirit, guard the line made straight.
Covenant held through fire and weight.
What was dim is now made plain.
Order falls like measured rain.
Beshalotata katusan.